So, this just happened. Jan LeCun, one of the people who literally helped invent the stuff behind modern AI, just looked at the entire tech industry and basically said, yeah, we might all be running in the same direction into a wall. The headline version is an AI pioneer warns Silicon Valley is stuck in herd mentality, which means the internet immediately did what it always does: panic, argue, and post hot takes within 30 seconds. On the surface, it looks like a dramatic AI breakup moment. But that's not actually the interesting part. Here's why this is confusing. Some people hear this and think, oh wow, so ChatGPT was a phase. Pack it up, back to Excel. Others hear it and think, this guy just doesn't get it. Models are getting smarter every week. And most people are stuck in the middle like, okay, cool, but my AI tool still works. So what changed exactly? That confusion makes sense because the language sounds apocalyptic, while the reality still feels very functional. The real question isn't, are language models impressive? We already know they are. The real question is, are we mistaking fluency for intelligence and progress for direction? Once you frame it that way, the whole debate certainly calms down. Let's understand this thing with steps. Step 1. What changed? What actually changed isn't the models. What changed is that long standing disagreements inside AI research stopped being polite and went public. LeCun is saying, we are scaling really well, but we might be scaling the wrong thing. Step 2. What didn't change? What didn't change is LLMs are still absurdly useful. They still write code. They still summarize chaos. They still feel smarter every few months. Nobody unplugged anything. Step 3. Why it feels bigger than it is. This feels huge because the industry narrative quietly became, if we just make this bigger, intelligence will eventually fall out. So, when someone says, hey, size alone might not get you planning, understanding, or real world reasoning, it feels like someone questioning gravity mid flight. Step 4. Simple analogy. Think of it like this: you can build a car that goes faster every year, smoother, more efficient, incredible engineering. But if it has no steering wheel, going faster doesn't magically make it know where to go. LeCun's point is basically, we are building faster engines and assuming directions will emerge later. This isn't new, it's a pattern. Every time a technology works shockingly well, we start treating it like the final boss of innovation, and every time the confusion comes from mixing up. This is extremely powerful. With this explains intelligence itself. History is full of technologies that were amazing, and still not the whole story. So, should you actually care? If you're a student or developer, your tools aren't going anywhere. If you're building with AI, this mostly affects long term bets, not tomorrow's roadmap. And if you're just using AI to get through work faster, this debate changes approximately 0 tabs in your browser. So the takeaway isn't AI is fake or AI is about to plateau. It's this: powerful tools don't automatically equal complete intelligence. And once you see that, the noise gets quieter and the conversation gets way more interesting. The part most people miss is that scaling something successfully doesn't mean you're scaling the right thing. Curious to hear thoughts on this? Comment below in the comment section. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.